Hi kiddies, in this video we are going to see some facts about goat. Yeah, let's go. Number 1. Goat is a domestic mammal. Number 2. Goat baby is called a kid. So a goat giving birth is called kidding. Wow. Number 3. Goats have beards and wattles. Number 4. Goats love a smile but don't love the rain. Oh. Number 5. Goats are great at diets, picky eater. Number 6. Goats are emotional one. Number 7. Goats are born with teeth. Number 8. Goats use the sneeze sound as an alarm. Number 9. There are over 210 species of goats in the world. Number 10. Goats do not have teeth in the front of their upper jaw. Or like goats. If you like goats, hit the like button to this video and do subscribe for our channel. Thanks to watch kiddies. Do subscribe for more drawings with some information. Thank you. Bye bye.